segment for PappysCorner coming up.
Scuttlebutt, what's up? You know, I was able to talk Mama Pappy into modeling a pair of thongs. Coming up later in this video. Okay, now, I need to get you queued up on what's going on. Yeah. Hey, I got to looking on my YouTube analytics, or whatever it is, you know, where the charts are and the graphs and stuff. Well, they started to spike way up. So then I thought, wow, it must be, I noticed yesterday there was an ad from Harbor Freight where they have the Cobra security surveillance on sale. Well, we all know that Pappy did that Cobra security surveillance video where I caught that Shady character. Well, they used my video in their advertisement. Can you believe it? My videos are good enough for Harbor Freight. You gotta love it. All right, there's some scuttlebutt for y'all. Quick mail call here. This is from Ichiban Moto. Badass channel, man. Ichiban, check out the stamps on this. Aren't those awesome? Gotta love them babies. Now, the reason it's in this plastic is because you can see it got damaged here. And Ichiban Moto, the fan club, the proprietary guy, emailed me and said that he was going to be sending me this book. So I want to make sure it's in good shape. I'm going to open it up. So hold on a second. Okay, here's the way you go with mail from Ichiban Moto. Right here, there's a little Swiss Army knife, you know, that has the scissors on it. Get them out here. All right, here we go. A pair of scissors. And you want to come take a look? We'll get this opened up. All right, here we go. Yep, these are some badass little scissors that come on these Swiss Army knives here. Should be able to just engage and slide. Oh well, we'll just cut. They are cutting. Alright, this is something I need for my, yeah, it got damaged. That's why it says on here, we care, the U.S. Postal Service. And, yeah, she got damaged. But this is for my tidbits when I do my, I want to save them stamps. I think those are pretty cool. Well, anyway, when I do my tidbits for Toolaholic Tuesdays, and it says here, Grandpa's Favorites, a collection of, oh, look at here, Ichiban Moto. Badass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Awesome. How cool is that? That is badass. All right. Quality classic. Hey, we got something identified here. Excellent. Quality is like buying oats. If you want nice, fresh, clean oats, you must pay a fair price. However, if you can be satisfied with oats that have already been through the horse, that comes a little cheaper. Yes. Awesome. Grandpa's Favorites. How cool is that? From Ichiban Moto. Awesome channel, man. Check it out. I'll put him in the description. You can go check him out. Well, you know, here's some scuttlebutt that Pappy has to deal with every day. You know, the fact that I'm too short, too fat, too old, too gray. My feet stink, and I have bad breath. Oh, and I fart a lot. But other than that, I'm doing pretty good. So, okay, I've been sending out these the last straw, and I have a couple left. Just email me your address. First come, first serve. And I do have another update for you. The batteries on the security light, they've been there 2 years. 3D size batteries. Still working great. And I use that door all the time. At night, in and out. Over 2 years. Awesome. Okay, and another thing I need to get you all queued up on is the fact that the woodpeckers have returned. Yeah!
There he is. You can't hardly hear him. The wood's all wet.
The video I made, you know, with the predator eye, it's a failure. Now check it out.
That predator eye is a fail. Got 2 new holes.
Yeah, I made a video that failed. Well, and another thing. I burnt my finger, and it's all pretty much healed now from the mask video I did a couple weeks ago. Yeah, maybe some kind of premonition there, you know. But yeah, it's about, you can see it's a little red there. But yeah, it scabbed up pretty good. All right, well, hey, Mama Pappy modeling the thongs. So check out Mama Pappy in a pair of thongs. Looks pretty good, don't she? Gotta love them thongs. Back in the day, we used to call them dental floss. All right, well, I got you all caught up on the Scuttlebutt What's Up Foundation happenings. And I hope you have a great new year. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love ya.